The Baha'i Faith is a monotheistic religion that emerged in the mid-19th century in Persia, now known as Iran. It was founded by Bahá'u'lláh, who lived from 1817 to 1892. Bahá'u'lláh is regarded by Baha'is as the latest in a succession of divine messengers, a lineage that includes figures such as Abraham, Moses, Krishna, Zoroaster, Buddha, Jesus, and Muhammad. This faith emphasizes the unity of all religious teachings and the progressive revelation of spiritual truths, aiming to foster global harmony and understanding among diverse peoples. The Baha'i Faith's development was significantly influenced by several key figures. The Bab, born in 1819, was a precursor to Bahá'u'lláh. He founded Babism and foretold the arrival of He whom God shall make manifest, a prophecy fulfilled by Bahá'u'lláh. Bahá'u'lláh declared his mission in 1863, establishing the Baha'i Faith. His son, Abdul-Baha, played a crucial role in spreading the religion globally. Shoghi Effendi, the grandson of Abdul-Baha, led the faith from 1921 until 1957, further solidifying its foundations and expanding its reach. The Baha'i Faith's history is marked by significant events and challenges. In 1844, the Bab declared his mission in Shiraz, Iran, initiating the Babi movement. His execution in 1850 intensified the persecution of Babis. Bahá'u'lláh declared his mission in 1863 while in exile in Baghdad. In 1868, he was further exiled to Akka, present-day Israel, where he spent the remainder of his life under house arrest. After Bahá'u'llah's death in 1892, Abdul-Baha succeeded him. The 20th century saw the faith's global spread, culminating in the establishment of the Universal House of Justice in 1963. The Baha'i Faith is the second most geographically widespread religion after Christianity, with adherents in nearly every country. India hosts the largest Baha'i population, exceeding 1 million, and is home to the iconic Lotus Temple in New Delhi. The United States was one of the first Western nations to embrace the faith, fostering a robust community. Despite facing severe persecution in Iran, its birthplace, the faith thrives in countries like Kenya, Bolivia, Zambia, Vietnam, and Papua New Guinea. Israel houses the spiritual and administrative center in Haifa and Akka, with the Shrine of the Bab and Bahá'u'llah's resting place. The Baha'i Faith is built on core beliefs such as the oneness of God, religion, and humanity. It emphasizes the equality of all people and the elimination of racism and prejudice. The concept of progressive revelation holds that religious truth is revealed over time by different messengers. Universal education and the harmony of science and religion are also central tenets. Baha'is engage in daily prayer, observe a 19-day fast annually, and celebrate 11 holy days. The faith is administered by elected councils with no clergy and follows specific laws for marriage, funerals, and personal conduct. In many Muslim-majority countries, particularly Iran, the Baha'i Faith is not recognized, leading to severe persecution. Baha'is face denial of higher education, property confiscation, imprisonment, and systematic discrimination. Despite these challenges, Baha'is remain committed to advocating for unity and peace, refraining from retaliation or political protest. Today, the Baha'i Faith is actively involved in social development, interfaith dialogue, gender equality, education, and peace building. Baha'is often engage in grassroots community development, especially in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. The faith emphasizes individual spiritual growth, community service, and the establishment of institutions that support human unity, striving to create a more harmonious and equitable world.